Hello everyone, I am back with my fifth video of Rai Boutique. As we all know, the situation is really very grim all over. I hope this video brings a smile on your face. Today I am going to show you some beautiful cotton Dhakai Jamdani sarees. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon. Now let's start with the first saree. These sarees are the pride of Bengal. Saree number 1. Saree number 1. This is multicolored booty is there in the saree. This is a tussar color saree. And the saree is all over like this. All over the saree is like this. This is the archer. Please have a look at the archer. This is the archer. This is the archer. You can wear a copper blouse with it, or you can wear the base color with it. The price of the saree is 3,900. 3,900. Saree number 2. Saree number 2. This is again another saree in grey with multicolor booty and bright yellow. You can wear a bright yellow blouse with it, or you can wear the grey color blouse in it, and the whole saree will go like this. This multicolor booty looks very nice. The price of this saree is 3,900. 3,900. This is another saree, Dhakai saree. Please have a look at it. This is an off-white saree. We can give. Jamai Shoshti is very much near. You can gift it to your mother-in-law. It's a very pretty saree. All over, this multicolor booty is there. The price of the saree is 3,900. The whole saree is like this. 3,900. Saree number 4. It is a black and off-white saree. Black and off-white saree. It's a very common saree, but look at this saree. It's very different. Very differently woven. This is the achal. And look at the body. The body has white, off-white booty all over, and it has got a black border. ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়ি এটা, যে কেউ এটা গিফট করতে পারেন। জামাই ষষ্ঠী আছে সামনে, you can always give this to them. Another saree in off-white and pink. The price of the saree is 3,900. 3,900. This is another saree. This is off-white and pink booty. All over pink booty. All over. This is very pretty saree. Very. The combination is very good. And the price of the saree is 2,900. 2,900. This is another sari, and this is a soft Dhakai. This is a soft Dhakai. Look at it. These are all full cotton sarees. Single color booty. The price of this saree is 2,300. 2,300. These sarees do not have any blouse piece. These sarees do not have any blouse piece. Saree number 7. This is a lovely color combination. It's very summery. Again, this is a soft Dhakai. Look at the saree, so beautifully done. The color combination is very rare. You can also wear some beautiful designer blouse with it. The price of the saree is 2,300. 2,300. Look at this saree. This is a blue saree with pink booty all over. It's a very common combination, and all over the saree is like this. The price of the saree is 2,300. 2,300. This is another saree. Look at this saree. It's very different. It is very different. All these sarees are woven in Shantipur in West Bengal. These are Dhakai sarees woven in Shantipur. And the price of this saree is 2,500. 2,500. This is another saree which is green, parrot green. Parrot green. Very lovely saree. You can gift it to your daughter, or you can gift it to your sister-in-law, anything like this. Very pretty saree. This is also soft Dhakai, and the price of the saree is 2,000. 2,000. Price of the saree is 2,000. This is a blue saree. Look at it. This is also very nice. And these are all very summery sarees. Very comfortable during summer. And the price of this saree is 2,000. This is a very bright color saree. Very bright. Very bright color saree. And very beautiful combination. These are very rare combination. This is saree number 12. Saree number 12. And you see this multicolor border and multicolor booty all over, and the price of the sari is 3,900. The sari that I am wearing, this is also a multicolor booty sari. And the price of the sari is 3,900. Before I leave, I want to tell everyone, stay at home, be safe, and don't forget to wear the mask.